Hi guys, this is another session in the series of Stay at Home, Be a Hero. We will try to help you go through this coronavirus lockdown so that you can break the chain and make sure that we all come out safe during this period of time. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. You can leave your comments, feedback regarding this video and any other video on our channel, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you would like, please do subscribe to our courses as well. The link is available in the description. Let's get on with it. Hi, this is a set on cubes and has a lot of information as such. I would suggest before you proceed with the rest of the video, have a look at the PDF, which will be available in the description of this particular video. You will get the entire set and the answer key. Try to solve it on your own before you proceed with the rest of the session. This is a set which is on cubes, but you have to solve it in two stages. The first stage, you'll have to figure out how the cube is numbered. And once you have figured out how the cube is numbered, then you have additional information for each particular question in order to solve this set. Okay, so let's quickly figure out how the cube is numbered and what is actually given to us. Pandara box is a large cube with faces numbered 1 to 6. One number on each face in such a manner that the face numbered 2 is not adjacent face numbered 6. So wherever 2 is, 6 cannot come adjacent to it. So the only way possible is if 6 is opposite it, because if you place 6 anywhere else, it is going to be adjacent to 2, right? So we know that 2 is opposite 6. 1 is not adjacent to face 5. So 1 has to be opposite 5. So it can be 1, 5 or 1, 5, right? And the remaining two numbers will be 3 and 4. 3 will be opposite 4. Now let's see how the cube is actually placed, right? 4 friends, Amir, Bhuvan, Chandu and David are standing in northern, eastern, southern and western side. Okay, so you have Amir, Bhuvan, Chandu and David. So north, east, south and west. Okay, of a cubic room. The Pandara box is kept in the center of the room such that the friends can view two numbers. The number on the face directly in front of him and the number on the top face. Right? It's an information given. The sum of these two numbers is called the Pandex for a person. For example, if the number is facing Amir are 2 and 3, then the Pandex number for Amir will be 2 and 3. So for example, in this case, if somebody is standing here, right, he will be able to see the front face and the top face. So suppose this is 5, right? So his Pandex number will be 2 plus 5, 7. Whereas say suppose 3 is here, right? The person standing here, 3, for him the Pandex number will be 3 plus 5, 8. For the person standing here, his Pandex number will be 6 plus 5, 11. So we know this part. Okay, let's proceed further. It is observed that when the Pandara box is kept in a manner such that none of the friends can see the face with number 5 on it. So which means 5 is kept on the bottom, which means 1 is on the top. Then the Pandex number for Amir and Bhuvan are 4 and 3 respectively. So for Amir, the Pandex number is 4 and for Bhuvan, the Pandex number is 3. Now for who, in this case, who will have Pandex number 3? The person standing straight here. So this is Bhuvan. His Pandex number will be 2 plus 1, 3. Right, which means one side is, it says Amir will have a Pandex number of 4. So if you go here, this side will be Amir. You go clockwise, you get Amir, Bhuvan, Chandu and David. So from Bhuvan to Amir, you'll have to go anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, you will reach Amir. Amir has a Pandex number of 4. The top number is 1. So the front number will be 3. Opposite that will be 4. Right. So we know the orientation of the cube also, how the cube is actually constructed. 1, 2, 5, 6 and 3 and 4 opposite each other. So this is the orientation of the cube. Right. Once we have this, let's go to the questions one by one and try to solve them. Okay. Question number 1 says the Pandara box is kept in such a manner that nobody can see the face number 3. I have placed it already here. Bhuvan has a Pandex number of 10. Bhuvan has a Pandex number of 10. So top is 4. So 10 will be when Bhuvan faces 6. Now if Bhuvan is facing 6, to go Amer to Bhuvan is clockwise. So Bhuvan to Amer will be anti-clockwise. So this will be Amer. Opposite Bhuvan is David. And opposite Amer is Chandu. Okay. So Chandu is facing 1, David is facing 2. The question is, what will be the Pandex number for Chandu? For Chandu, the Pandex number will be 1 plus 4, 5. Pretty straightforward. Okay, question number 2. The Pandara box is placed in such a manner that nobody can see the face number 3. So again, 3 is at the bottom. The face number 6 is directly in front of Bhuvan. Okay, so this is Bhuvan. So which means this is Amer, this is Chandu, and this is David. Okay, so this is nice. Okay, Chandu moves the Pandara box in such a way that the face number 6 is still in front of Bhuvan. Okay, but the Pandex number of Bhuvan has changed. Okay, so 6 will be there, right? But the Pandex number changes, which means 4 is no longer on the top, which means you will rotate it like this. So either on top, you will have 1, 3 or 5 coming in. 4 cannot be on top. It has to be either 1, 3 or 5. 2 also cannot come, because if 2 comes on top, then 6 will go to the bottom and Bhuvan's face number will change. Right? So you're going to rotate it like this. Now the question is, which of the following faces is directly in front of Chandu? Now, you know 4 cannot be on top anymore and 2 cannot be on top. 2 has to be placed over here. So Chandu can never face 2. Chandu can never face 2. So this is out. So this option is out. Okay, Chandu cannot face 2, because if Chandu faces 2, then the number opposite Bhuvan is going to change. Right. What else cannot happen? 4 cannot stay on top, which means Chandu cannot be facing 1 also. If Chandu keeps on facing 1 and Bhuvan is facing 6, then the cube's orientation is fixed. Right. So 4 will still be on top. And if 4 is still on top, then Bhuvan's Pandex number will not change. Right. So even 1 cannot be faced by Chandu. Right. So the other 3 numbers are possible. Chandu can face 3, Chandu can face 4, Chandu can face 5. So 1, 3 and 5. Option D will be our correct choice. Now question 3 and question 4 have the same initial information. Okay, so let's see what it says. The Pandara box is placed in such a way that nobody can see the face numbered 2. So 2 is at the bottom. Right. And the Pandex number for Amer is the maximum possible. Now, maximum possible Pandex number is 6 plus 5, 11. If 2 is at the bottom, maximum number is 6 will be on the top. And the maximum possible will be when Amer faces 5. If Amer faces 5, this will be this. So this will be Bhuvan, this will be Chandu, this will be David. Right. So we know the orientation of the cube as it is given to us. Okay. Now let's see what the rest of the question state. Starting from Amer in the clockwise direction, each friend flipped the box in such a way that the face on top of the box and the face at the bottom of the box are swapped, while ensuring that the number on the face he faces does not change. Okay, so Amer will make sure, you'll start with Amer. He will flip it in such a way that 2 goes to 6, 6 takes the place of 2. Right, but 5 remains where it is. He still has to place face 5. Now, if that is going to happen, 5, 1, if 6 goes at the bottom and 2 comes to the top, right, you have to rotate it clockwise, right? So which means 4 will come at the back, and so which means 3 will come at the back and 4 will come onto front. That's the only way to change it, because you cannot change anything else. 1 has to stay where it is, 5 has to change it. The only way 2 can come on top is when you rotate the entire cube in such a way that everything will go, this entire set will go two places, right? So 4 will take the place of 3, 3 will take the place of 4, 6 and 2 will interchange their places, 5 and 1 will stay the same, right? So this is what is happening, and everyone keeps on doing it. Okay, the question says, what will be the Pandex number for Chandu after Bhuvan flips the box for the first time? Now, this is what Bhuvan faces. Now, Bhuvan will face 4 now instead of 3. Bhuvan will now face 4. Bhuvan will do the same thing. He will keep the 4 in front, 3 at the back, but he will make sure that 2 goes to bottom and 6 goes to top, which means 5 and 1 will now interchange places. 5 and 1 will interchange places. So 5 will come here, 1 will come here, 6 will go on top, 2 will go to the bottom, 4 will stay where it is, 3 will stay where it is. This is the cube which is given, which Chandu has to work with. Now the question is, what will be the Pandex number for Chandu? Pandex number for Chandu now, before he flips, after Bhuvan flips, before Chandu gets his turn, is basically 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. And question number 4 says, starting from Amer in clockwise direction, each person flipped, blah, 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 the same thing. What will be the Pandex number of Bhuvan after David flips for the first time? So we have done Amer flipping, Bhuvan flipping. The question is, what will be the Pandex number for Bhuvan after David flips? So we have to go till David. So next in turn will be Chandu. Chandu will flip next. So when Chandu flips, 5 and 1 will be in the same place. But 4, 3 and 6, 2 will interchange positions. So 2 will come on top, 6 will come on bottom, 3 will come to front, and 4 will go to the back, right? This is the cube that David has to work with. Now, when David flips, 4 will stay in the same place, 3 will come to the front, 6 and 2 will interchange the spots, and 5 and 1 will interchange their spots. Right. The question is, what will be the Pandex number for Chandu? Sorry, what will be the Pandex number for Bhuvan after David flips? Okay, so Amer is here, Bhuvan is here. Bhuvan will face 3 and the top is 6. So 3 plus 6 will be 9. 9 will be your correct answer. Okay, so this is a pretty nice set as such. I mean, as I said, it's a set which has to be done in 2 stages. First, you have to figure out how the box is, which face is against which face. Then you have to figure out the orientation of the box. Then you have a Pandex number which is given to you. And then you have to keep on rotating them based on different value. It's a moderate to slightly difficult set. You need to be extremely patient, extremely careful. It is not difficult because of a lot of data. It is difficult because you have to visualize the cube, and cubes usually are slightly difficult. Most people find a little bit of difficulty while visualizing cubes sort of questions. That completes this particular session on Break the Chain. If you liked it, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment on how you felt this video was. If you want, and if you have any suggestions on any other videos which we need to do during this period, please do let us know. If you would like to, do look at our courses. The link is available in the description. Till we meet again the next time, goodbye and stay safe.